I am Afresh. Today I will be solving problems on matrix. Now let me share my screen to show you the problem. First, the problem is we have two matrices and each has we have four variables too. So 2p plus q is equal to 4 and p minus 2q is equal to minus 3. 5r minus s is equal to 11. 4r plus 3s is equal to 24. Now, what we should find is, we should find all the variables plus we should find what is the value of p plus q minus r plus 2s. So now I will be teaching you how to solve this. First, we can equate the same variables, which is this one, which is 2p plus q and p minus 2q. So let me just do this. Okay. Now we can see that I will write 2p plus q is equal to 4 and p minus 2q is equal to minus 3. Now we will be finding what is the value of p. Here we will be using elimination method where I taught you if we have two or more variables, we can just make one variable equal to another in two equations. So I will show you. So let's put the bracket over here and multiply it with 2, which results us with which is equal to 4p plus 2q is equal to 8. So we are multiplying it inside the 2 and now we'll make p minus 2q is equal to minus 3. Equal to minus 3. Now what we will be doing here is we will be cancelling the minus 2q up and plus 2q down. So let's cancel it. And we will get the answer as 5p is equal to 8 plus minus 3. Let me just erase it again. So we got it 5p is equal to 8 plus minus 3. So what we get here is 5p is equal to 5. So if we substitute the 5 that side, if we transpose the 5 that side, the p value is equal to 1. Since we found the p value, now we can find the q value by substituting it in any of these equations. So I will erase my answer. Yeah. Now what we'll do is, we'll substitute it 2 plus q. 2p plus q is equal to 4 equation. So 2 into 1 plus q is equal to 4. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus q is equal to 4. Now if we transpose the 2 that side, we'll get that q is equal to 4 minus 2 is equal to 4 minus 2. So Q is equal to 2. So we got the P value and Q value. Now we can find the other values such as 5r minus s and 4r plus 3s. We will use the same method. So I will go on to the next slide. Okay. Now we found the values. 2p plus q is equal to 4 and p minus 2p is equal to minus 3. And 5r minus s is equal to 11 and 4r plus 3s is equal to 24. Now we will solve the equation as I did. We will solve for r and s here. So we will get r is equal to 3 and s is equal to 4. I will explain you how. So 5r minus s and here 4r plus 3s. We can just multiply. You can just multiply this with 3. Just a minute. You can just multiply this with 3 to make it 15r. 15r minus 3s is equal to 33 is equal to 33. Okay, now we can cancel this 3s and this 3s, which leaves us with 9r is equal to, I mean 19r is equal to, since it is 15, 19r is equal to 57. Yeah, 57. And we'll get the r value as 4. R value as 3. 19 into 3 is equal to 57. So r value will be 3. Now we can substitute it here. So 5 into 3 is equal to 15. 15 minus s. So 15 will go on that side. 11 minus 15 is equal to minus 4. Minus is equal to minus 4. We can cancel the minus, which results in. Now we'll move. Okay, since we got all the steps, we can now substitute it. P value is equal to 1, Q value is equal to 2, minus R value is minus 3, and R and plus 2 is 2 into 4 is equal to 8. First, we can go with Bodmer's root. 2 into 4 is equal to 8, plus minus 3 is equal to 5. 5 and 1 plus 3 is equal to 3, so 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So today we have solved a problem on matrix. Thank you.